Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will make buttercream. So many of my subscriber asking me to make a video how to make buttercream. So making a buttercream, you need three simple basic ingredients, which is one, you need unsalted butter. Secondly, you need icing sugar, and third, you need vanilla flavor, or you can add any other flavor, whatever flavor you like it. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and let's make a buttercream. I'll took a 700 gram unsalted butter. I already keep in a room temperature, and look how soft a butter is. So make sure your butter is very soft when you making a buttercream. And then also I'll took 700 gram of icing sugar as well. Let's put it in the mixie and then mix well. So I put it here in the mixie, and then you have to mix slowly first. Nicely, slowly, gently you have to mix it. Look how soft butter. I'll put it here. So make sure your butter is soft when using it. So after beating 2 minutes, this texture is nicely coming. After 2 minutes beating, you can see how nicely texture is come out. And then you have to add icing sugar. So I'll took same quantity is 750 gram, and then you have to add it gently in the butter. After that, you have to on your mixie very slowly first. Gently you have to mix it first, otherwise all icing sugar is coming out. So after 1 minute gently beating, look, now all icing sugar is mixed in the butter. Then you have to do more fast for like 2 minutes. And then you have to add vanilla flavor. So I'm gonna using here 2 tablespoons vanilla flavor. So 700 gram butter and 700 gram icing sugar, and then you have to use 2 tablespoons vanilla flavor. And look how nicely texture is coming. And then you have to beat like 5 minutes on fast. You can do it faster. If you can see how nicely this and creamy buttercream is coming, texture and all. After 5 minutes beating, you can see your buttercream how nicely and fluffy. And this is a simple and easy way to make a buttercream, and also its taste is very nice. It's my personally experience. I'll use it for 10 years and it's coming very nicely. Look, in 7-8 minutes you can make your buttercream if you have everything ready. And look how nicely. And you can use any kind of piping, and you can make flowers, you can make any piping. Look how nicely it's coming, how beautiful it's coming. It's very nice and fluffy. This bit of cream is coming. So many my subscriber is saying you have to make a video how to make a buttercream. That's why I'll making today is this video. So look how nicely this buttercream is it. Very beautiful. You can make any design, any piping. And thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe my channel. And also if you are new on my video, please like and subscribe. Look, you can make any kind of flower, piping, and do whatever you want to do. Please like and subscribe my channel if you are new on my video. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you.